Dear student, I am going to discuss today about that C++ switch statement. So here you see that we will discuss C++ switch statement. Switch we write and it is used for number of conditions, but we have to check only for equality with any one. Like that switch we will write, and in switch we will write expression, and it will contain inside the body case. So which case value, this one, that x and y, here the value is that, and which value will be matched, that a section that body will execute. Each body of case will end with the break, and default will be at the end when all the case will not match with this expression value, then it will go in the otherwise situation, or it is a default. So switch will be evaluated once, that means this expression will be evaluated only one time. After that it will check that all the cases value, which case value will be matched, that will execute, that section will execute, otherwise control will move to the default, and after that outside of the switch. One example that we understand, that suppose here given that day value is 4, so here is that in switch is that day. So if this day 4, that means control will go to the case 4, because the value of day is match with that case 4, this value. So control come here and control will display this output, that will be Thursday. If you will put here the day value is here, that suppose 6, that control will move to the case 6, and this here Saturday, it will display that Saturday. In such a way it will display that output, that is the switch. We understand one by one in a very easy and effective example of switch case. Now we go for this. So we go for that first program, that is we have to input any number and display the name of the week. So we go for this. In switch case and C++, so in this way that turbo C++ we can do, or in a different C++ also we can do the same program. If you want to do here, that we can do. Okay, so now I go to check with that. It will better that in window form that we will open and we will do, so it will better for understanding and it will visualize properly. So now we understand here. That question is that is given here, that we commented this, and here after taking that we put here enter, and this is that comment line that will not execute. Now here hash iostream.h hash include conio.h void main. Now we have to input any number, that means one number, and we have taken and display the name of the days in a week. That no problem, we will display only that. So cout enter a day, number of day in a week, enter day number. We can write also in this way. Okay, like this also we can do. Scene, so n is here given, that's why n we will give. Okay, now after that we go to switch. In this switch n we will pass, and in all the cases, that means case, sorry, as C will be small, so case 1. So in a question that is given, if 1, then Sunday it will display. So case 1, that we will display here cout Sunday. Okay, like this, and then it will break. So like this also, case 2, Tuesday, then break. Like this, case 3, cout Wednesday. Case 4, case 5, break, case 6, like this, break, case 7, column will be here, cout, Sunday, break. And otherwise, if that anybody giving, otherwise these 7 numbers, that means that is not the weekday number, so we will display like this, invalid day number of the week. Okay, now switch you close, after that get ch and then close the mail. Alt F9 for checking error, no any error, control F9. So now output day, so 5 given, that means Friday. Okay, now 2 given, that is Tuesday. Like this it will display the output. Okay, I hope it's clear. If one more time that I do and I display here that any number, that is 74, invalid day number of week. Okay, so in this way switch case will work, and we will work with the different examples of the program that we will do. So again, next question that we understand, that what is that number that we have to input any month number and display the month name using switch case. It's very easy. So now we go for this. In this we change, okay, and it will get that like the same questions. That means you can do at first this one save as w, okay, leave it as is there given. Now this one we go for control V, 2 number question. Okay, so we have to input month number and display the month name. So enter the month number, and here that you can do you can use variables any one you want. So month will be that one, that will be January. 2, that will be February. March. April. May. June. July. And after that we need also another case 8, because 12 case we need, because 12 months are there. So case 8, cout, August, September, case 10, October, case 11, Okay, now last one, case 12. Case 12 December. After that, break and default invalid month number. Invalid month number. That's enough. Okay, now Control Alt F9 for compilation. No any error. Control F9. See the output. That 5. That is my. That is my. Now again 8. That is August. Now again that you will give 13. Okay, this is invalid month number. In this way that switch case program will work. So that means those case value will match. Those case value will match here. That will execute. Okay, so n value that is given, and if it is matched with 8, that means August will display. In this way we will discuss more and more program using switch case. Thank you.